Welcome back to Nifty Garage. My name is Sheldon. Today we have a Crash 370Z in, and it has a bent steering wheel. So I'm going to show you how to remove your steering wheel off of your Nissan 370Z. Whenever you're dealing with airbag stuff, undo your battery. It's not worth having something happen. So we're going to go over here. There's a little plastic cover. You'll see the opening right there. Pop this cover off, and the Torx will be up there. I put the socket in like loosely first. All right, so I'm on there. I'm gonna have to get my impact on here. And more than likely these bolts, this time it doesn't do it. The one time I say it, normally the bolt falls off into the steering wheel, which is totally fine because we're gonna be able to access that when we do that. And we're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Now that the airbag is unbolted, pull it straight out. And we're gonna have some wires back here. So first things first, I'm gonna undo the airbag plugs. Let's pull this black portion out first. And if the airbag is blown, a lot of the times this plug will also burn. In our situation it didn't, so that's good. So pop that black piece out and then do the orange one. And there you go. You have two plastic covers, you have two T30 Torx, you slide it out, and then you have 1, 2, 3 plugs. Yeah. All right, now that we have the airbag out, we are going to, there's like a little clip right here that holds these airbag plugs that is attached to the clock spring. Make sure to undo it off of that clip first. Once you have that undone, loosen the 19. And this is a crash car, so your steering column should not have this play. This one does. Just ignore it. I'm teaching you how to get the airbag and the steering wheel off. I have this 19 millimeter nut still on the steering shaft, and the reason you do that is because you're able to pull back, and it will allow the steering wheel to come loose. Because if that nut's not there, the chances of you knocking your teeth out while you pull the steering wheel is kind of high. So make sure to just loosen the nut, pop the steering wheel loose, finish taking the nut off, and then just slide this forward. Make sure no wires are getting hooked. And there you go. That is how you remove your steering wheel out of your Nissan 370Z.